All right, so if you've been seeing those AI generated videos online and wondering how people make them, yeah, a lot of creators are using Pika AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own videos step by step. First, quick idea. Pika AI lets you create videos using text prompts or images. No editing skills needed. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. You can sign in using your email or just use Google for faster access. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you'll create your videos and manage everything. Next, choose how you want to create your video. You can either use a text prompt or upload an image to animate. Now, write your prompt. Try to be clear and descriptive so the AI understands what you want. For example, a cinematic scene of a mountain landscape with sunrise lighting and smooth camera motion. Then click Generate, and Pika will start creating your video. It might take a few seconds, so just wait a bit. Once it's ready, you can preview the video. If needed, you can adjust settings like style, motion, or duration. If the result isn't perfect, which happens sometimes, just refine your prompt and try again. When you're happy with the final result, go ahead and download your video or share it. And yeah, the more you practice, the better your prompts and results will become over time. So yeah, creating videos with Pika AI is actually simple once you understand the workflow. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI video tutorials coming soon. All right, so